Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? It's Kei. So it's 11th of November 2022 on Friday. So happy Friday to everyone. And I hope you're all having a great day today. And it looks like lots of markets are trending right now. And just I put the title, I'm running pips on EURUSD above 80 pips now, and I'm still holding the trade. So first I will talk about how I took the trade, and I explain what I think about these positions and where to close us on. So that will be the first topic, and then we will check other charts, other trending markets, and continue to analyze the charts. Not only Forex, but gold is also moving up in the lower time frames, so I think we're going to check also gold pair today. So yeah, so before moving on, let me say hi to everyone until we see more people joining today on the live. Alright, yeah, thank you for joining everyone again. Great to see you and happy Friday. Okay, alright, Sachin, thank you for joining. TSM, good to see you. And Michael, Crypto, and Dean, Sammy, and Win, Vibart, Nicholas, Kevin, and everyone, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you as always. So yeah, so let's see. So first, let me talk about my position on the EURUSD. So let me switch to trading view. And here is exactly where I took the trade. So M5. So this is 3 screens. Over here is the daily time frame. And down here is 30. And this is M5. So I use multiple time frame analysis in Ichimoku and take entries on the 5-minute time frame mainly. And when I was watching the chart, so I took the trade here on today 11th at 7:10 a.m. UTC. So you can see the red vertical line is exactly where I took the trade. And I was actually seeing not the daily but the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour confirmed uptrend, and 30-minute also confirmed uptrend. And then I was looking for the exact entry edge, and I actually monitored about 20 minutes. So I was here when I first opened the chart. So let me only show the 5-minute and explain how I took that trade. So when I opened the market this morning, it was around here. So, and since higher time frames were bullish, I was waiting for the potential N wave break. And how I expect the potential N wave breakout, N wave resistance breakout on the 5-minute was basically based on the 3 confirmations. So as I monitor chart, first I saw the Bollinger Bands were squeezing, which was one of the signs. So in M5, I don't use Ichimoku, but I use the Bollinger Bands and stochastics and lines price actions for my entries to look for an exact entry timing. So I was here and waiting for the potential N wave to happen. So since higher time frame bullish, since 4 hours bullish and 30-minute time frame was bullish also, I was expecting M5 also to be bullish and breaks resistance and continues being bullish. So as I monitored the chart, first thing I saw was this the trend line breakout. As gradually market goes sideways and flat still, I see this there was a Bollinger Bands were squeezing. So that's one of my confirmations. And also the yellow line is called the counter trend line. Counter trend line. So trend line is usually drawn like this way on the lows. This is the regular trend line. But instead of taking this, I wanted the potential N wave. So potential N wave happens when the market breaks the counter trend line. Not the trend line, but the counter trend line breakout. So when I see this counter trend line breakout, I saw that there was more buyers and sellers, and I was seeing the potential breakout of the 5-minute resistance. So that's my second confirmation. So like this, I build up the confirmations and look for the entry timing. So, and I was waiting for one more confirmation to happen, which happened exactly on 7:10 a.m. So let me forward the candles 2 more. And here you see there was an outside breakout. So outside breakout means in the price actions, outside means I'm talking about this white bullish candlestick, high and low has been including previous 2 candles, 2, 3. If you can include this one also, it was like 4 candles included, 4 or 5 candles included, and then it broke bullish on the next one, this one. So when I saw this breakout, I was able to buy, but then I didn't check chart, I didn't see charts for like 5 minutes because I had a visitor, and then next candlestick became bearish. So I was waiting for the next one, which is this big candlestick to form, and I took the buy here. So because of the spread, I execute a trade here, but because of the spread, my execution happened slightly above the candle, above the close. So I took the trade on 1.02246 level. So that's how I was waiting for the entry confirmation, the precise entry edge or entry confirmation. So again, this was moving up. 4 hour time frame was bullish, and the 30-minute time frame was also bullish. So I was expecting the market goes up in this way on M5, on this bullish wave. But it may have gone down this way, right? It may have gone down this way. So just because higher time frames moving up, I don't buy whenever I want to. I wait for the exact spot to buy, which happened at 7:10 a.m. And again, I found the Bollinger Bands were squeezing, and also this yellow counter trend line break happened, and also this outside bar breakout happened exactly on this candlestick. But I wasn't seeing this candlestick because I was having a visitor. I was at the door, and I couldn't monitor. And then when I came back to the chart, I was seeing this bearish candlestick. So when I see the bearish candlestick, next one may be bearish, and next one may have broken the 5-minute support. If it happens, then the market may have been reversed in a wave, and then it may have gone down this way, because the new trends always start from the lower time frames, but it tends to follow the major higher time frame directions. So if I see this potential market reverse on M5, then of course I won't take trade. So just to be safer, I was waiting for one more candlestick after this bearish bar, bearish blue bar, and confirmed bullish candle, so that I feel more positive that this becomes N wave towards major direction and placed the buy over here. So that's the logic behind. And this is the screenshot when I took the trade. So yeah, so here, this is a screenshot when I took the trade. Actually, I took the trade here, and then I had the meeting, so I wasn't able to take a screenshot in here. So when I took the screenshot, it was about 1 hour later, but this was exactly where I took the trade. So, and then, so I mentioned Bollinger Band squeeze, counter trend line breakout, and outside bar breakout. With these 3 confirmations on M5, I took the trade. And after that, so after I take the trade, I monitor until I set the break-even line, because break-even line means stop loss above the positions. So my positions are on 1.02246 and my stop loss placed 19 pips below, so which was 1.02055. So as the market goes up towards my direction, at some point I move the stop loss to break even, and then I leave chart for hours. So let me just open the, so here is exactly when I moved the stop loss to break even. This is the screenshot on my MT5 platform. And so again, I took the buy here. And after that, the market went up towards my direction. It broke the resistance. But just because the market broke the resistance, this is still too early to set the break even. Because like this, it may have gone down and take my stop loss, take my break even, and then it goes this way. So if I move the stop loss to break even too early, then I won't be able to run profits by now. So I was waiting for the next N wave to happen, which happened here on this N wave bullish. And then when I confirmed the bullish N wave and running pips, more than 30 pips towards my direction, I moved the stop loss, which was here, to slightly above the positions, so that even if the market goes down this way for any reasons, I don't lose in this particular trade. So this is either break even or win game, which I play in my strategy. So this is how I moved the stop loss to break even in this trade. So and now after that, I had the meeting. I had the meeting at 2 p.m. today in Dubai time. So before I was meeting the person. He's actually from he's also local, and he's in Ichimoku community. So yeah, I had a nice meeting, nice coffee with him today. But before I meet him, I moved the stop loss to here, because I won't be able to check charts while meeting someone. If I talk with someone and also check charts at the same time, it's kind of rude, and I don't want to be distracted by these positions in the market. So when I meet someone, for sure, I don't check charts so that I won't be rude to anyone. So this is before I meet the person. So I saw this nice pushback. So I moved one of the stop losses below the most recent pushback on M5, which was 1.0239. So I'm fixing 15 pips, 15 pips here, 15 pips of stop loss, and another at the break even. So while having the meeting, for any reasons, if the market goes down this way, I fix 15 pips and just leave chart, so that I feel safer in psychology in this way. So that's how I did it on the next screenshot. So And then what happened was so this screenshot was taken after I came back home. I came back home 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes before the live starts, I came back home and checked charts. So simply I left this screenshot previously was taken about 2 p.m. and this one was 5:30 before I do this live stream. So I left the chart about 3.5 hours and then found this situation. So when I find this is again M5. I'm trading the profits on M5 and I moved one of the stop losses below the pushback on M5, which was 1.0279. So this is let's see how many pips. This is around 55 pips on the first stop loss, and the second stop loss is placed 1.0253, which is let's see how many pips, around 30 pips, 29 pips of fixing the profit and still holding the trade, expecting the market goes up this way because 4 hour is still bullish. And so the next timing when I trail the profit is after this live. After this live ends, if the market goes up continuously towards end wave, bullish on M5, then I drag these stop losses higher and higher, but not at the same places, but lagging, one lagging and one aggressive. I trail the profits along the way and fix profit when the market reverses afterwards. So that's how I took the trade on the EURUSD today, and also how I trailing the profits along the way. So I think this is very practical explanation of how I manage my positions and stop losses. So hopefully you can also do the same thing so that make sure you don't lose big. If I still keep the stop loss below my positions, then I won't be able to do live. I won't be able to meet someone because my psychology still might be in my trades. But because I move the stop losses above my positions, then I know I don't lose anymore. So psychologically, I feel much safer and I can do anything else besides trades, besides monitoring the markets. So yeah, psychology is everything. Yeah, we have to be safe in psychology, and we never do aggressive trades. Always wait patiently for the entry timings, and once you capture the entry timing, then just go for it, and spend some time to look for the chance to trail the profits along the way. So this was my first topic. I wanted to talk about my entry timing. So yeah, so let's see. So now let me see. Right now, Euro USD. Let's see what's happening right now. Okay, so let me finish bar replay. And it's going up continuously, right? So one of my stop losses is on, hold on, let me see. One of my stop losses I placed was on, hold on, let me check my mobile, 1.0279, right? So it's 1.02795. So it's here. And another stop loss on 1.02530. 02530. So it's here. Okay, and after live, the market is kind of going sideways. this is a bit retracing now. So in this case, 4 hour is still bullish. I think higher time frames are still bullish. This is a 4 hour time frame. And Kumo is looking nice. Kumo is bullish. Kijun Sen is up. Tenkan Sen is not flat, but Kijun Sen is up. And Senko span A is up. And Kumo is not too thin. So this uptrend may be stable. Chikou span above candles too. So buyers are dominant still over sellers in this market. So in this case, I keep holding. I don't exit manually. I keep holding because it may break the resistance and goes up. But now, as you can see on the M5, it forms double top. It forms double top, and this yellow line is the neckline. And this neckline is the support also, the previous support, sorry, previous resistance. So previous resistance became support, and it's breaking bearish. So this might be the reversal pattern. So after this, the market may continuously be downtrend. So for now, I keep my first stop loss here, and I just continue to monitor because 4 hours bullish. So this double top became fake, and the market may go up this way if it bounces here, is my mindset. But if it breaks the neckline, and if it starts to go down after the neckline breakout, then I think about the exit timing. So that's what I think right now about this market. So right now, this is almost like 80 pips of running and floating pips towards here. This is now became 77, 78 pips of profit floating. So that's my psychology behind in this market. So just because there is an M5 double top, I don't exit. Because again, I'm a trend follower, and I follow trends in higher time frames. So 4 hours bullish. I'm basically trading in H4, 4 hour time frame. And I'm not trading on M5. I'm trading H4. So as long as H4 is bullish, I keep holding is my strategy. But as you know, lower time frames are spiky and lower time frames may retrace. So when it happens, the market may continuously be down, and then I look for an exit time. So that's how I think about the Euro USD as of now. So yeah, let's see. So that's my first topic about my trade, Euro USD. So let me monitor on M5 and check some comments now. So again, here is my entry. The vertical line is my entry, and this is the market as of now. Okay, before checking comments, let me check the strings chart and see what's happening right now, because it may be reversing. So I'm trading Euro USD. So Euro is going up still, so which is a good sign. This is towards my direction still, but USD is going up. So because USD is stronger now than Euro, that's why Euro USD is going down. And this is not due to news, right? Because the news happens in about 35 minutes. So this retracement is not due to news in the US. So yeah, in this case, I keep holding. Looks like it broke the neckline, but still I keep holding because 4 hours bullish. So my view is still uptrend in this direction. But if it start to reverse like this way, then I might think about the exit timing. So here I wait. So this is how you can also build up the scenarios. We have to always plan scenarios and think what to do. Plan A and B and C and decide what to do based on your plans. Never trade emotion. Never trade by gut feelings or instinct. Always have to be logical on your trades. So yeah, let me see. Alright. Oh, I see many comments. Thanks for joining, everyone. Great to see you. Okay. Okay, Dean says, okay, you also took the Euro USD trade, running 80 pips. That's good, that's good. Ready to exit because it's retracing the daily resistance. Right. So this might become a top and the market may start to reverse. So when it happens, we need to exit. Yep. Alright, yeah, thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you. Okay, Nicholas also says you took the trade on the Euro USD this morning too. Okay, so you must be running some nice profits by now also. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so this is Friday, so yeah, the market tends to reverse towards the end of New York. So this may happen in this case. Double top, a neckline breakout on M5, so the market may continue to reverse. If that's the case, I will exit. I will exit both positions at the same time and come back charts on Monday or Tuesday next week. Oh, Sat choose a wrong pair, AUD USD. Yeah, so I was also watching the AUD USD, but let me tell the reason why I didn't take that pair. Because of the daily situation, I didn't take that pair. Because if you check the daily time frame on the Euro USD, the price is above the Kumo, right? Above the Kumo, then Chikou span above the Kumo too, and Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen up above the Kumo. So at a glance, you know that Euro USD is strongly bullish. But if you check the AUD USD, I was checking this one too, but AUD USD is into Kumo, in the Kumo. Chikou span above candles but below Kumo, and Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen above, up but below Kumo. So like I say, whenever you see the price is in the Kumo in higher time frames, the lower time frames may tend to spike. So AUD USD, that's why I didn't take this AUD USD, but instead waiting for the Kumo breakout and looking for the buy chance. I was also watching some other pairs. EURUSD was about to break the resistance, but because this is very close to resistance, I didn't take the EURUSD. And the USD is about to break the Kumo, but the Kumo breakout is not happening yet. This is technically within the Kumo still, so I didn't take the USD also. So like this, we have to be very selective on which one to trade. I was also watching the USD Swiss franc because it was breaking the Kumo, but this downtrend is too strong. This is oversold, and this is near the support on the daily, which is from September this year. So I didn't take the USD Swiss franc either. So that's why I took the Euro USD and decided to follow the 4-hour uptrend along the way. So let me continue to monitor on M5 to see the exit timing. Alright, yeah, thanks for joining, everyone. Let me see. Okay, so now let me start to check some other charts. Pound CAD. Okay, on the left, let me continue to monitor Euro USD because I'm trading right now. And on the right, let me check other charts. So, okay, Fearbart says, what about Pound CAD? Pound CAD, daily is ranging because Kumo is retracing Kijun Sen flat. I think right now Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen, dead cross happening. So this is range. So this is not a good market to trade. And 4 hour shows it's also flat. Yeah, flat means Kumo flat and Kijun Sen is up but within the Kumo, so I don't take this. Looks like this one is resisted by the 4 hour resistance from 2nd of November, so I don't take this one in this case. So just wait for the breakout of 1.5673 and plan to buy on pound CAD. This may happen next week. The breakout may happen next week. Okay, so US news is in about 30 minutes. So let's see. In the meantime, let me check some of the charts. Any thoughts on pound JPY, K-san? Pound JPY daily is ranging or retracing back to Kumo now. And Senko span A is retracing Kijun Sen flat and Chikou span is touching. So lower time frames might be spiky and choppy. And 4 hour shows it's this is bearish. The 4 hour is bearish. But we need to wait for the support breakout, the 4 hour support level breakout, which is 163.06. So yeah, I would wait until the break of the support and target to the 4 hour, the second support in the 4 hour, which is 159.71. So that will be the plan. I think I will keep holding and target to the support from the 11th of October. So that will be the plan. But for now, we need to stay away. Because you see Kijun Sen is flat in the 4 hour. Whenever you see Kijun Sen flat or Tenkan Sen flat, that means it might retrace. The market may retrace back to these levels. You see, whenever you see flat Kumo and Kijun Sen, the market tends to reverse. It's a time of retracement. So now Kijun Sen flat, Tenkan Sen flat, so the market may retrace. That's why you don't want to take sell in this timing. Need to wait for the breakout on H4 support. Okay, Alex Wong says, do you keep your trades over weekend if the profit is still running? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yeah, if it keeps running, then if it keeps running at least, I would say 30 pips or 40 pips, then I keep holding the profits over the weekend. Let's say towards the end of New York session on Friday, if it goes up continuously, then I will just fix keep holding. But if it retraces like this on M5, then I just exit and take profits and come back on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so that's my thought on over the weekend. All right. Yeah, Michael, you're welcome. Eshwar, I have not received KTS admission details. Yeah, once it's officially launched, I will let everybody know in videos. So please wait a little bit more. So KTS community is the new community which teaches about my strategies. So it's a community forum. Now I teach my strategy like this at the GTS class. And the next GTS class happens in January. But KTS is more like the community style. So, and it's about to be launched. I think it will be launched next week. So yeah, please wait. Okay, Yeah, okay, so looks like Euro USD is going down very heavy. So I think I will fix a profit. I think this is before the news, but it's going down I wave. So it took one of my profits, and now it's continuously going down. So in this case, I fix a profit on the second one before the price hit the stop loss. So hold on, let me fix the profit. Yeah, this is going down very fast. It broke the previous resistance also. So the market may go down continuously. So let me fix profit and focus on the live stream. Okay. So I just fixed a profit on one of the profits is 1.102795, and another one I fixed a profit on 1.02719. 1.0719. Yeah, so it's about here. Okay, so I enter trade on 1.02246. So I fixed one of the profits 47 pips and another 55 pips. So in total I fix 100 pips in these two trades. So yeah, I think for now I will just stay away. This market might go up from here. It may go up continuously, but it's okay. I just fix it, and yeah, just watching the chart momentarily. So yeah, so let me check some other charts. All right, so oh yeah, the Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is going down, was going down yesterday, but let me check today and see what's happening. So here is the daily on the Bitcoin. Oh, this is engulfing inside bar, so we need to stay away. We need to stay away until it breaks the inside towards either direction. If it breaks bearish on 15656.21, then I think the market goes down. But if it breaks bullish, if it breaks the supports, Kijun Sen, and the resistance of the engulfing candle bullish, then it may go up continuously. So for now, we need to stay away. This is the inside bar. But I think overall is bearish. Still, it's bearish. I think most likely it breaks the support, because the price is below Kijun Sen and Kumo, and Chikou span below candles, and sellers are dominant over buyers on the Bitcoin. So it's bearish. Okay, Buddha says, what is your take on AU? Okay, AUD USD, this is about to break Kumo, so I wait for the Kumo breakout next week and plan to buy. Otherwise, lower time frames may spike on this one, right? Okay, Hussein says, can I short Euro USD at, I did short, okay, you already did it at 1.03. 1.03 level is, let me see. So let me just take out indicators now. And let me only show the candles. 1.03 is up here, so yeah, I think that was a nice entry timing if you're the scalper. If you only take trades by M5 scalping, I think that was a good entry timing, because that was exactly the double top neckline breakout. So the market may go down continuously this way. Yeah. And target is, so if the market goes down continuously, target is below, down here. I think target is going to be 1.02543 in this case. Yeah. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, Noel says, don't you take 20 MA break and stochastic dead cross and double top break as 3 confirmation to sell? No, I don't, because this is bullish. I was only looking for the buying edge when it's uptrend. I never take sell when it's uptrending in higher time frames. So again, I'm a trend follower, so always make sure to follow higher time frame directions. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Anil says, GJ, I sold it at 164.16. Okay, GJ 164.16 around here. And I left the chart after 45 pips. Okay, it's going down. Profit fixing break even at 161.149. Okay. Yeah, I think, okay, so hold on, let me see. So daily is retracing back to Kumo now. And 4 hour is 4 hour Kijun Sen Kumo flat, so it may reverse. So in this case, if you are trading this pair right now, if the market reverses, I recommend you to exit. Because again, it may reverse back to the 4 hour Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen when it happens. But there was a nice breakout of the supports, so it may go down continuously. If it goes down continuously, then target is 159.68. Yeah, so looks like we have lots and lots of pairs trending at the same time. Yeah, and also let me check gold. Gold broke the resistance today and yesterday. I was actually planning to buy gold, but I found the EURUSD to be better trade, so I took that one. But here is gold XAUUSD. So daily broke the resistance. In this resistance level was also the previous neckline, W bottom neckline breakout. Neckline, resistance and support. So this was really strong. It was a really strong breakout yesterday. And today is forming doji. So doji means range. So today itself is range. So that means the market may reverse back to the previous resistances, 1731.89, and bounce and goes up. So that will be my analysis. So since we have the doji forming, now we can wait for the doji breakout also. You don't have to wait for the doji break bearish and sell. You can always wait for, in this case, doji breakout bullish on 1766.12 and buy afterwards and target to 1807.92. So in this case, I put up arrow above the resistance so that we know we need to wait for the break of the resistance. If you see my arrow is going through the resistance level like this, then you know that this is right now is a good entry chance. But if you see my arrow above the resistance, that means you need to wait for the breakout. So that's the XAUUSD. But overall, I think it's still bullish. But it may retrace. You see 4 hours also flat. 4 hour Kumo Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen flat. So that means the market may reverse back to Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen in a 4-hour and bounce and goes up in this direction. So yeah, simply wait for the breakout of the daily doji, which may happen next week, and plan to buy afterwards. So that's my analysis on XAU-USD. Okay, so let's see. Kush says, "Hi Kei, what does it mean when price is in between Tenkan and Kijun-sen?" It means still bullish, but it's retracing. So it's like here. When you see the price in between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen like this, it's consolidating and it may go back to Kijun-sen. So you need to wait for the breakout of the resistance and buy. So when you see the price below Tenkan-sen but still above the Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen means the short term and Kijun-sen means the mid term, and Senko span B shows long term. So in the short term, when price below Tenkan-sen, that means in the short term sellers became dominant. But the price above the Kijun-sen and Senko span B, so that means still bullish in the mid term and long term. So what happens is that what's happening is that the short term sellers and long term and mid term buyers are fighting here. So that means the lower time frames tend to spike. It may shoot down suddenly, it may go down suddenly, or it may break. So need to wait for the breakout towards the major direction to look for your entry edge. Yeah, so that's what it means. Okay, time cycles on oil. Let me see if I have that. Time cycles, I did it long ago, so I need to do it now. Probably I will do it sometime next week if you can remind, because today I want to focus the trending pairs. Oh, Noel, you mean the 3 confirmations to exit the positions. Yeah, you can exit the positions, but in that case, I was more focused on the price action in this Euro USD. So let me see now what's happening. Okay, so it's kind of bouncing, but it may be ranging in this case. I mean, it may go up, but it may have been a reverse in the wave and goes down, or it may go up. We can't really tell which way it's going on M5, so I just exited on these 2 trades. So yeah, if you have the 3 confirmations, I say that that's an exit timing, but this is more practical analysis. Double top, a neckline, and the breakout of the previous resistance was also significant for my exit timing. Yeah. So yeah, it wasn't too soon. You can exit that point. It was okay too. But yeah, next time you could be more patient. Because if you exit too early, then you may miss the potential pips up move. So I exited my trade here and here because it broke the supports. It broke 2 supports. One support was here, neckline of double top, and second support was here. Second support and resistance M5 broke on I wave, and that's why I fixed these profits here. But if the market was supported here and goes up, of course I keep holding if it goes this way, or even if the market breaks the neckline, if the market starts to go up this way, at some point I keep holding because 4 hours still bullish. But to me, this retracement was too huge, so that's why I just decided to exit. And also I'm in a live stream. And I'm actually checking some comments on the chat and talk like this, so I can't focus only on this trade. So I thought it's safer just for me to exit and leave chart. Okay, let's see. Mara says, hi Kei, did you ignore pound USD because of the daily resistance? Pound USD, not because of the daily resistance, but pound USD was simply, yeah, that's right. Pound USD, right, it didn't break the daily resistance yet. That's why I didn't take this one. Yeah, there was a daily resistance and supports. Here, here, and here. One resistance, 2 supports, so the market may retrace. So that's why I didn't take this one today. Okay, so yeah, I think I will be ending the live in about a few minutes for now. But I hope you're having some nice pips today. So yeah, this is markets. Markets sometimes, suddenly have some many pairs trending at the same time. So yeah, this week we didn't see big news. Actually, we saw only one news, which is CPI in the US, which is big news. But besides that, we tends to have more quiet market. But today, out of nowhere, the market suddenly breaks support resistance and just goes. So the lesson is we need to check charts every day. At least 3 times is my recommendation. And whenever you see the good entry chance, just take it and keep holding and see how it goes. If it reverses, simply you exit. But if it just goes towards the direction, keep holding and keep trading the profits. So I kind of feel that the gut of keep holding is also important. Never take profit too early. In Japanese we call it chicken profit, like chicken take profit. Like never do chicken take profit. Keep holding a trade as long as it goes, so that you can see potential bigger pips along the way. But when it comes to losses, if the market goes back towards your stop loss, and if you start to run some losses, then you need to quit the trade. You need to close the positions as soon as possible, but with the reasonable and logic places. So yeah, so that's my impression for this week. So since this is Friday, and yeah, I'm getting hungry now, so I think I have a dinner, and most likely I won't take trades anymore. Most likely I will be drinking after this, so I won't be trading afterwards. But yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for stopping by and say hi on the chat, everyone. So tomorrow I will be doing some psychology topics, so hope you enjoy tomorrow live stream. And yeah, good luck on your trades next week. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Again, happy Friday, and have a great weekend ahead. And until I see you next time, please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Alright, bye for now everyone. またね. Thanks so much.